Oh boy. There we go.
Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal Walton County. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:15 p.m. Central. At 10:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles west of Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, or 23 nautical miles south of Mary Esther, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Okaloosa Deepwater Reef. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Dude. Did you get this?
Yeah, I just got it. I just finished recording.
Oh my.
Look, it's got the newest special marine warning.
Great. Yeah, this just popped up unexpectedly, so.
How many have we gotten today? Let's see.
This is my 21st now, so.
No, I mean in total today.
I mean for me right now.
So today we've gotten a total of, this is our third.
Good Lord.
Counting last night, we've got, this is counting this new one and last night's, that'd be 5. We've gotten a total of 5 special marine warnings.
Wow. All right.